But when the sun shines in Scotland, it's pretty damn good. That's us home, which feels quite surreal, to be honest. We got home late last night, so we're just unpacking and opening a lot of mail. The journey here from Bulgaria was, the flight was packed. Yeah, which was, I thought it'd be really empty, who knows, with these things. But yeah, it was a Ryanair flight, and it was quite stressful because they didn't implement really face masks. Well, they kind of did over the tannoy, and that was a policy, but no one was really wearing them, and they didn't really enforce it, which really annoyed me. So I went and spoke to them, because everyone was sort of just wearing it round there. It's like, yeah, they were a bit of rubbish, to be honest. Well, they always are, Ryanair, in my experience. We are back though, that's the main thing. We got through okay, no problems. Didn't really ask us any questions, it was just straight through. Looked at the passports, we had all our passenger locator form and PCR test and everything, but they didn't really ask for much. So that's us for 10 days quarantine, but we've got a wee garden out there, so it's like massively overgrown. So if the weather stays nice, we'll be out in the garden and just getting back to some sort of normality now. So yeah, we're going to see what we're going to do. Maybe we'll vlog these 10 days. We'll see. I'm not really sure, because you've not got the sort of like, I don't know, it's going to be quite strange. Yeah, we'll come up with something, but it's actually really nice to be home and get unpacked, make some food, and we'll see what happens.
It's a bomb site. This is the bit I hate about coming home, getting everything unpacked, but once it's done, it'll be great. And, you know, in a way I wasn't looking forward to having these 11 nights quarantining at home, but actually I feel like it's a good opportunity to kind of just get things done. If we'd had to kind of go straight back into working, it might have been a little bit stressful, but we've got time to kind of just get things organised, and as Ewan said, get out into the garden and do some weeding because it really needs it. So yeah, I think I will enjoy our little quarantine, and hopefully the sun's going to shine and we can get out into the garden.
Domestic bliss, cutting the grass. It might not be Dubai or the Maldives, but when the sun shines in Scotland, it's pretty damn good. So we're making the most of it. Now, we haven't just been lying about the whole time. Today, we're kind of getting stuck into the weeds and trying to make the garden look a little bit more presentable. We weren't long back before we had to place an Amazon order. Now, the main thing was, so since we've been away, been in quite a few flats where there's been a coffee machine. Now, I didn't drink coffee for quite a while. Well, I drank coffee, but it was decaf coffee. And then when we started the few of the IVF transfers and cycles, I kind of went back onto coffee after we'd finished, and now I'm hooked. So Anna kindly bought me a coffee machine
For your birthday.
for my birthday list.
But it's an early birthday present.
So look, that.
Oh.
Intense, passionate, and a couple of other little things just for. But the main thing. My God, this is ridiculous. Who says I've got an addictive personality? Who says?
Oh.
Look at that bad boy. I
So-
don't think I ordered a red one. I don't think it's red. I hope it's not red. It was just black.
What made you decide to get that one?
Right, so I did a lot of research because I don't part with my money easily. I don't really buy myself a...
Well, I bought you this.
No, I know. But I was going to buy it and Romana said, I'll get it for your birthday, so that's an easy one for you. Just doing lots of research. I was going to... we had the Dolce Gusto one. Dolce Gusto had in Sofia. It was good, but I wanted something small and compact for the kitchen because I don't want to use up a lot of space. And yeah, no, these got all pretty good reviews. Apparently, it's not. I like coffee like roasting hot, but I just put a bit of hot milk in it. It'll be fine. So we'll set it up and let's have a go. Oh yeah. Oh sure. That's real good. That's like, this is the new wine that you can't have. I can't have more than like 2 of these, otherwise my head will explode. But good. Thanks, Romana.